Today is July 30th. This is a 1967 transparent lens cover for the instrument cluster speedometer area for my friend Bruce out in California. This is the final step in polishing and surface finishing the transparent lens cover. You can see where this half has already been done. And the previous video number 1, I did the outside surface. Now I'm doing the inside surface that will be sealed with around the perimeter with a gasket and then placed over the cluster gauges and speedometer and sealed against the black surround. So this is a 26,000 grit diamond epoxy slurry as the finishing compound and the final step in finishing the inside of the transparent lens cover. The unit went through a 3-week repolymerization process and then several layers of surface finishing, and this slurry is the final step in polishing the surface and preparing it. You can also already see the other half, how it's resulted. It's beautiful. I've done 5 of these. This is the best out of the 5, which I'll be sending to Bruce out in California as part of the complete instrument cluster restoration, which we'll be shipping to him the end of the month. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, and I restore the instrument clusters, speedometers, recalibrate them and restore them to original show quality condition, and also the steering wheels and the steering columns. Thank you very kindly.